In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw an application on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get right into it. So, you've been on the job hunt, you've submitted a few applications, and now you've decided that one of those roles is not the right fit for you anymore. This can happen for various reasons. Maybe you accepted another job, or perhaps you've realized that the position isn't what you thought it would be. Whatever the reason, withdrawing your application on Indeed is a straightforward process, so I'm here to guide you through it. First, you'll want to start by opening your computer or grabbing your smartphone. Head over to the Indeed website and log into your account. If you've been using it regularly, your credentials should be saved, but if not, take a moment to enter your email address and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Indeed profile. Here, you'll see various options related to your job applications. Look for the section labeled My Jobs. This is the hub for all your applications. You will find both the jobs you've applied for and any listings that are saved for later. Navigate to that section, and you should see a list of your applications. From there, browse through the applications until you find the job you wish to withdraw. This can sometimes take a minute if you've applied for numerous roles, but be patient. It's worth it to find the right application. Once you've located the job, you will typically see a status indicator next to it. Depending on your current status with that application, it might say applied, interviewing, or something similar. Now, click on the job title to open up the application details. After you've accessed this page, look for the option that says Withdraw Application. It's usually prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have to dig around too much. This button might be located towards the top or bottom of the job details page, but it's typically easy to spot. When you click on Withdraw Application, Indeed may prompt you with a confirmation box asking if you are sure you want to withdraw. Take a moment to read any instructions or information that pops up, and then confirm your choice. It's essential to ensure you're really ready to make this decision because this action can't be undone. You definitely don't want to be withdrawing an application you might change your mind about later. Once you've confirmed, you should receive a notification that your application has been successfully withdrawn. At this point, you are done. It's a relatively quick process, which is always a plus. If you scroll back through your list of applications in My Jobs, you'll see that the application status has changed, indicating that it's no longer active. And just like that, you've successfully withdrawn your application. Now, give yourself a pat on the back. It can feel daunting to take this step, especially when job searching can already be such a stressful and uncertain time. Remember, it's all part of the journey, and making sure you only pursue roles that truly fit your goals and aspirations is essential. One last thing I want to touch on before wrapping up. If you find yourself frequently needing to withdraw applications, take a moment to reflect on your job search strategy. It might help to refine your target positions or clarify what you're looking for in a new job. This could save you time and effort in the long run. So, there you go. You now know how to withdraw your application on Indeed. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on mastering your job search and career management. Good luck with your job hunt, and remember, it's all about finding the perfect fit for you.